Welcome to Yummy Food Cravings. Today we are making Sri Lankan chicken kottu roti. It is very delicious recipe. Take a pan and add 4 to 5 tablespoon cooking oil. Add 1 sliced onion. Also add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Fry on medium flame until they turn golden brown. Make sure to stir occasionally. When it's perfectly cooked, add half kilogram chicken. Cut the boneless chicken in small cubes. Fry chicken on medium-high flame. It will take 5 to 7 minutes to perfectly cook the chicken. When chicken is done, add 1 tomato and green chilies. Add half tablespoon of salt. Red chili powder half tablespoon. Turmeric 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Fry for 10 minutes. You can make this easy recipe in less time and enjoy it.